So today, shit, what is that picture? So today I'm gonna teach everyone how to change out the fixtures on the shower heads. Well, here I have spare basic shower head. Right here I have a fancy high-tech shower head that has still water. Just poured it off my actual shower. So today I'm gonna show you how to put one of these on and take one of these off properly. 12 kilo shit. So most of the time you should cut your water system off. I'm not. I don't have time. Don't even feel like cutting off my water system. So first thing I'm gonna do is take my channel locks and pull off my old one. Easy enough. Get the old one off. Now you just got a straight pipe coming right out of your shower. Interesting fact is when you have your threads on the metal ones, you're supposed to use Teflon tape to seal metal on metal. But with the new one I have, everything is plastic on it, has a plastic seal down inside of it. So I won't have to use Teflon for this one. I need to screw this straight on and then screw my main component on to the rest of it. So I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to attach this to the pipe coming out of my wall. Make sure that's nice and tight so it seals up. Now you take your main part, which has a different seal on it and more threads. Now I'm just going to screw this into the attachment I just put in. Alright, so the install on this shit is actually really simple. Now here comes the main test. This is how we figure out what we messed up on is when we do dry runs of everything, you never know where you made a mistake. You only find out where you made any mistakes is when you run your water through your systems and you see where it's leaking from. Okay, and it's leaking. So I'm about to do a close up of this. Oh shit. Okay, here we go. Here's the top nozzle. I opened it up. If you see right here, I have water coming out. Looks like it's coming up from the top right here. But I do have water coming out. Meaning part of it's not sealed correctly. So now I'm going to basically tighten it down, make sure everything's sealed up correctly on it, and run another water test on it. Oh, there we go. Water test. There's another water test on it, and I'll show you right now. All the leaking on it has stopped. So everything has been tightened down. The seals are in place on it. And that's how you change out your shower heads.